Crash course on Czech Republic, local cuisine, cultural festivals and traditions. Welcome to the enchanting land of the Czech Republic, where history, culture, and gastronomy intertwine to create a vibrant tapestry of experiences. Let's embark on a journey to explore the delightful local cuisine, immerse ourselves in the captivating cultural festivals and traditions that bring this country to life. Czech cuisine. Indulge in the rich flavors of traditional Czech dishes that have stood the test of time. Start with svíčková, a tender beef sirloin marinated in a luscious vegetable cream sauce, served with dumplings. Sample kulajda, a creamy potato soup with mushrooms and a poached egg, or vepřo knedlo zelo, featuring roast pork with sauerkraut and dumplings. Don't forget to try the beloved sweet treat, trdelník, a cinnamon sugar-coated pastry that will satisfy your cravings. Cultural festivals and traditions. Throughout the year, the Czech Republic comes alive with vibrant festivals and celebrations that showcase its rich cultural heritage. Experience the world-renowned Prague Spring International Music Festival, where classical music lovers gather to witness stellar performances. In December, the Czech Christmas markets illuminate the cities with twinkling lights, offering handcrafted gifts and festive delights. Witness the lively Karlovy Vary International Film Festival, a gathering of film enthusiasts and renowned filmmakers from all over the world. Interesting stories and examples. The tale of the astronomical clock in Prague's Old Town Square is awe-inspiring. This medieval marvel not only tells the time but also mesmerizes the onlookers with its hourly show featuring moving figures, representing the different stages of life. Top 12 attractions: local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions. 1. Prague Castle, a historic icon and the largest castle complex in the world. 2. Charles Bridge, a picturesque bridge adorned with statues, connecting Old Prague to New Prague. 3. Český Krumlov, a UNESCO-listed town with a fairy tale-like charm. 4. Kutná Hora, home to the captivating Bone Church, adorned with human bones. 5. Karlovy Vary, famous for its thermal springs and elegant spa culture. 6. Bohemian Switzerland National Park, a natural wonderland of sandstone cliffs and lush forests. 7. Moravian Karst, featuring magnificent caves and underground rivers. 8. Easter markets celebrate the arrival of spring with festive markets and Easter traditions. 9. Mikulov Wine Festival, savor excellent local wines and immerse in Bohemian wine culture. 10. Pardubiste Gingerbread Festival, delight in intricate gingerbread creations and sweet treats. 11. Masochist Carnival, experience the lively and colorful pre-Lenten celebrations. 12. National Folklore Festival in Strasnice, a vibrant showcase of Czech folk traditions, music, and dance. Summarization. The Czech Republic offers a treasure trove of experiences, from indulging in hearty cuisine to celebrating cultural festivals steeped in tradition. Explore its stunning landmarks, immerse in the lively spirit of its festivals, and cherish the warmth of its customs. The Czech Republic awaits you with open arms, inviting you to create unforgettable memories. Poem. In the heart of Czechia's embrace. A fusion of culture, a vibrant space. From svíčková's taste that delights, to festivals that light up the nights. The astronomical clock's ancient tale. Time's moving figures, a mesmerizing trail. Prague Castle stands tall and grand, a symbol of history's majestic hand. As Charles Bridge spans the flowing Vltava, legends and stories forever enlivened. Bohemian Switzerland's wonder unfolds. Nature's beauty, a sight to behold. From Easter markets to wine's delight. Traditions cherished, day and night. In the Czech Republic's soulful plea. A treasure trove of memories to see. So let's venture forth, hand in hand. To the Czech Republic, a wondrous land. With culture, cuisine, and festivals grand. A journey of joy, let's understand. Ending note. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.